Let us see the adaptations of plants found in the deserts. Okay, so deserts, we know that the deserts, they are the place which receive very little rainfall and are very hot and dry regions. Okay, so deserts, they receive little rainfall and they are hot and dry regions. The two main features of plants and trees found in deserts are: what the plants and the trees need to do in the desert are that they need to first collect and store water and also minimize water loss. Okay, so the plants or trees found in desert regions, the two main features of these trees and plants are that they collect and store water and minimize water loss. Now, how do they do these two things? So they have adapted themselves to grow with very little water. The root system of these plants, they are spreaded. Okay, they are spreaded over a large area and they bear very few leaves. Now, why they bear few leaves? Why they have fewer leaves? Because fewer leaves reduce water loss. Okay, because plants lose water through their leaves. Okay, there's a process called transpiration through which the plants, they lose water through leaves. Therefore, the plants found in desert, they have fewer leaves that helps them to lose little water. Then some plants such as cactus, they have thorns or spines instead of leaves. They do not have leaves, they have spines or thorns. Now what this does, the spines, it protects the plant from loss of water as well as from grazing animals. When the animals come to graze, so this spines, it protects them, it protects the plant, it also protects the plant from loss of water. Then these plants, they have fleshy stems. If you have seen a cactus plant, you must have seen the stems. It has a fleshy stems. This fleshy stems allows them to store more water. Okay, the stems allow them to store more water. The stems are green in color and the site for photosynthesis. So we all know that the site for photosynthesis is usually leaves, right? So plants photosynthesize in leaves, we have studied it. But the plants found in deserts, the stems photosynthesize for them. Okay, the stems are the site for photosynthesis in the plants found in desert region. Okay, so the important points, the two features what we have to remember about the plants found in deserts are that they collect and store water and also they minimize the water loss because there is less rainfall and it's hot and dry region. Okay, so they have to collect and store water and also they have to minimize water loss. So these plants, they have a root system which are spreaded over a large area and they bear very few leaves. Fewer leaves reduce water loss because plants lose water through their leaves. Then plants such as cactus have thorns and spines. These spines not only protects the plant from the loss of water but also protects it from the grazing animal. Then they have fleshy stems that stores more water for them. The stems are green in color and the stems are the site for photosynthesis. Some common desert plants are, see here, look in the figure. So the cactus, okay, it has thorns, it has spines. So these are some of the desert plants. These are the plants found in desert: cactus, prickly pear and date palm.